John O Looney recently discussed some concerning issues in the UK with a podcaster in Nova Scotia. He mentioned that Lords and members of Parliament in Westminster are in a state of panic as more people are becoming aware of the true impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on themselves and their children. Despite this, the UK police are refusing to investigate any reports of criminal acts related to the pandemic allegedly committed by politicians. This is due to a belief that revealing information about the vaccine bioweapon attacks could lead to widespread civil unrest. The fear is that if the police were to investigate these matters, it could spark a massive uprising against the government. The secrets behind the COVID-19 pandemic are considered a matter of national security, and the police have been instructed not to delve into the situation further. The revelation that the pandemic was a deliberate depopulation attempt disguised as a public health measure could potentially destabilize the entire country. The idea of rebellion against the globalist leaders who orchestrated the pandemic is not far-fetched. If undeniable evidence were to surface, it is possible that the police, Army, RF, and Navy could align themselves with the public. While they may not turn their weapons on the politicians, they could demand an investigation involving independent parties with knowledge of what transpired. This could lead to a restructuring of the political system and a rebuilding of trust within society. The potential fallout from such revelations could have far-reaching consequences on the international stage. It is likely that those in power are aware of the implications of a full disclosure and are taking steps to prevent any further investigation. The fear of widespread civil unrest and the breakdown of the current order is driving the decision to keep the truth hidden. In conclusion, the situation in the UK regarding the COVID-19 pandemic is complex and fraught with tension. The possibility of a public uprising against the government is a real concern, and the authorities are taking steps to prevent any further investigation into the true nature of the pandemic. The implications of a full disclosure could have significant repercussions on the national and international stage, leading to a potential restructuring of the political system and a rebuilding of trust within society.